Oh my god! Hey Genie! You came out of the printer! And is that Aladdin Chirag in your hand?
I'm the guardian of the hidden flame. You're my new boss. I've been watching you wish for a miracle. And luckily, I just clocked in. I'm giving you 3 wishes to change your life. But don't worry. I'm staying with you until that 3rd wish is spent. I'm all yours.
Is it a dream? I can't believe. Thank you very much, Genie. I'm really very much excited to have you as my. Hey, Genie. This is a tiny house for you. Please stay comfortably here till your next journey.